All right, it's time now for Recipe of the Week. And since we're doing the Mediterranean detox diet at the moment, you can follow on the Kara's Cures Facebook group.
This is the day I come in.
This is the
day.
But they're energy bites and
Why
they're
not
no
pizza
bite.
day?
I know. Well, that's something you order. This is something we make.
That's true.
Okay, so these are, again, no bake. So we're gonna take some dates, some peanut butter, some rolled oats, and some flax or chia seeds, pinch of salt, and it's supposed to be very easy. So, would you please, Mr. Chaz, measure out a cup of dates?
Okay, 1 cup of dates. I did sanitize my hands before this segment.
Yeah.
All right.
Cup of dates. All right.
These
So
things are
I'm
sticky.
gonna
They look
do
like giant raisins.
I know. Well, these are, all right, so the dates are your sugar, because we are allowed to eat sweetened natural fruits on the detox.
How
But we
are
can't eat processed sugar. You like it?
These are actually very good.
Yeah, they're good. These are those medjool dates. Okay, so now we're gonna do a half a cup of all natural peanut butter or almond butter.
You know what peanut butter is? Peanut butter is like the duct tape of food. You can put peanut butter on anything, and it's awesome.
So actually, we're using peanut butter here on the specific, this is almond butter. Okay, good. The detox that we're doing, no peanuts, because they have sometimes a mold on them. So,
Oh, really?
Yeah, so that people can be
A
sensitive
mold?
to. Yeah, some sort of fungus or something.
It's not because of allergies?
No, I mean, if you're allergic, you couldn't have it anyway. But
Right.
for this particular detox, we're allowed almond butter, but not peanuts, just for the 8 days we're doing this.
Jamie's doing this with you?
Jamie's doing
Jamie's
it.
producer.
Jamie's our producer. And Jamie's liking it. She loves it, right, Jamie?
No, she's not.
Okay.
You have to say that you love it.
But you know what, though? It's 8 days to reset your energy levels and your metabolism. We do it with Dr. Artemis Morris, who's down your ways in Milford.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
sounds
Right.
like the least popular person at a party. I love you, and I know you're doing good things, but man.
It's
just
only
put a
for
pizza
8
in front of
days.
me.
She does it seasonally to kind of clean you out and reset your metabolism, give you some energy.
Which is important.
All right, so a 1/4 cup of rolled oats.
All right, how do you roll your oats?
These came rolled.
Oh,
Do you want to do the measuring?
so what do you do? You just...
How about that?
Oh, okay.
And then
That I can handle.
we're gonna do, okay,
All
perfect.
right, good.
Oh, you know what?
Okay.
Hang on. I'm gonna have to stop because I was so busy. Hold this for a second. We were supposed to process the dates first, but I think it's fine. So the peanuts,
Oh, all right. So
it's no big deal.
Gonna
It's all
end up
gonna
in
go
the same
it's,
place
it's all
anyway.
going the same place. But I'm gonna stop and just do a little bit right now because
How much do you do in your kitchen at home, Kara?
I actually
Do you make food in your kitchen?
I do. I
This
do.
would be interesting if
I
this
do
just went
because my
nuts now.
children have to eat.
Oh, you
Yeah.
have kids.
It's
That's
not that
right.
I love to cook.
You can't just go out and eat.
I mean, no, we
You'd
do a
have
lot
to-
of, like
yeah.
every other busy family, I'm sure we're doing lots of takeout. Okay, so, all right, I'm gonna take a break now and we'll do more. Okay, so that's
How old are your kids?
14 and 12.
Oh, wow.
But they actually are starting to
Great
like
ages.
to cook a little bit. It's just nothing that they should be eating.
They're not going to want to eat this.
Not if I told them what was in it. They do like oatmeal, as long as there's chocolate chips in it. Okay, so now we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of flax or chia seeds.
I wouldn't be able to find that if you put it in front of me.
Right here.
Yeah.
Flax
The
meal.
bag that says flax.
Okay, yep. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons. You can do flax or chia. And then we're gonna do a pinch of salt, and it's just gonna make a paste, and we're gonna roll them into little balls, and then that'll be it.
Okay. You don't have to bake them. You just roll them into
roll
balls.
them, and that's it.
Have to
We
let
need
them
a
sit,
little
refrigerate them.
little pinch of salt. Oh, 2 tablespoons, okay.
Jamie's helping you through the earpiece.
Yeah, she is.
And we have it right here.
I need another tablespoon. It's 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of flax.
Can we tell
There
the
we go.
difference now if there was 1 or 2? Would someone try it and say,
Well, it might-
you know
the
what?
consistency might not be
it's
great.
missing some flaxseed to
Okay.
me.
So now we gotta do this. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do that.
You know what? It actually looks good.
It's gonna, you know, those little things, and you know what? People are buying all these healthy snacks in the store, and they're
Expensive.
not, and they're expensive, and they're not always
Expensive.
great for you because they might have like a lot of processed stuff in them. Okay, so it did say that we're gonna have to go like this
All
every
right,
now and
I'm
then.
on board now because this actually looks
You're
good.
gonna help
and it's
roll it in a
healthy,
second.
which is good. It looks like it's filling too.
Will you put out the parchment on the
The what?
parchment paper on
This?
the? Yeah. We'll do that. Now it says this could take up to 2 minutes, but we're gonna, in the interest of time, we'll probably start doing the dough soon. Okay, so we'll let it go just a little bit more because we have a little less in it. Oh, this is a Chef Plum trick. You go like this, and then you put it back down, and it stays. Isn't that nice?
It's not really staying.
Well, okay. That's what he says to do. All right, so you wanna try this?
These dates are actually good.
Yeah. So we're supposed to take it, and
never had a date
it makes a batter, and you just roll it.
Oh boy, you give these to kids, they're gonna throw
Now
them.
I would want to put some chocolate chips in there.
That would defeat the purpose, no?
No. Well, what if it was like a good chocolate, like a little nice dark chocolate?
Can I
Or you
try
could
one
roll
of these,
it
or
in
do we
some.
wait?
No, you could try one now.
Oh, okay.
See if you like it. I'm gonna just roll them. Now we're supposed to refrigerate them, and they'll get harder.
Good.
Is it good?
Very
Instead of
good.
buying all those protein bars, you could make.
Oh, my
This
God.
recipe's gonna make a lot of them. You like it?
You know?
It's Chaz approved.
I'm gonna do this. I eat those protein bars, you know what the calorie count is in those?
Yeah.
It's like having a Snickers.
Yeah.
Why don't I just have a Snickers?
Why don't you just have one of these?
But this.